So in this picture, they've told us all that information. I've written it on our picture here. So first of all, we know that because these are parallel, we have transversal right here. That's a transversal, so that means all of these angles are right angles here.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So I'm going to pull that triangle out. So that angle, I'm pulling this triangle out right there. That angle is 90 degrees. This is what we're trying to find. And I know that this one is 147. Yep, so this one has to be 3 more would get me to 150 plus 30. So this is 33 degrees.
Yeah.
Which means this has to be 90 minus 33. Because they all three have to add up to 180. 90 minus 33, 7 gets me to 40, 57. 57 it is. So here's another one. Neighborhood recreation program serves a total of that many kids who are either that or that. The sum of the children's ages is that. How many 11-year-olds? So this is a systems of equations problem. You'll definitely have one like this. They're testing your understanding of systems of equations. So first of all, we'll call that x. We'll call this x and we'll call this y. The number of 11-year-olds is x, number of 12-year-olds is y. So it says the neighborhood serves a total of that many children, so we know x plus y equals 280, right? And then the sum of their ages is that many years. So if I do 11 times x plus 12 times y, I will get 3,238. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this is a system of equations. Remember how to solve a system of equations?
You multiply by -1.
There you go, -11 actually. So multiply by -11.
Oh,
because
yeah,
then
yeah, right.
you can add these straight down. That's gone. Y equals, do -11 times 280 in your calculator, and then add that to that number, which is -3,080. And then when you add that to that, you'll get, what's that, plus 3238. Just put plus 3238 because that number's already negative in your calculator.
158.
158 is the total number of 12-year-olds. See, this is the trick. See, that's the wrong answer, which would suck because you worked all that hard to get that, but that's the wrong answer because they're asking about the number of 11-year-olds. We solve for y. Now, we could have solved for x by multiplying everything by -12 at the beginning instead, but it doesn't really matter. Just you need to subtract now. Subtract 280 from that, or subtract that from 280, and you'll get 122. 122, is that the right answer?